Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Sembut Menteri Ramba Kajila ubah Prestone song, hakasngi baar ulaong bayak Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA, lapun Treikam habaro kawe Kajila da kajingpet ki Deputy Commissioner Haman ki District. Habakran Shikilat Pathai Kubor ubah Prestone ulaong bakanikaan mentah kala Treikam Haman ki District baper kam Hashilong, hak bay kajingpen Treikam yaka kala yat shat. Hynrei ulabatai bak MRSSA kamla ban Treikam haki Jaka Rung Jaka mi namar bakum kita ki Kyndon hakaan. Shu ulaong watla ke State Assembly kala menjure ki bill Treikam hak baki lapha syaka sorkar pedeng lingba udat. Hynrei namar bakita ki Kyndon hapo ke MRSSA kak hangla de kejela ban bu kita ki Kyndon haki Jaka Rung Jaka mi.
MRSSA. Who told you that we abandoned that? MRSSA is partly being implemented. We are functioning under MRSSA, where we already have even the district task force headed by each deputy commissioner. So we have already activated as per the rule. It is there, and we are making it more effective in all other districts, and especially in Shillong. Let me tell you one thing. We do have, and it is fully functional in Shillong, especially in Shillong. No, don't misunderstand. When I said some provision was not there for setting up of entry and exit, that is the whole thing where we could not fully implement the MRSA Act because of the basic provision was not there. That in the main principal act it was not there. That's what we went to pass it in the assembly in the form of amendment. Ultimately, the amendment bill was referred by the then governor to the Ministry of Home Affairs. I did not say that we did not implement. We do implement, but legally speaking, we cannot set up entry or exit point because there is no provision in the original form of the MRSS. Effective whether election or no election, but we are taking precautionary measures to this effect. Well, about this issue, in fact, yes, I think CM or Honorable CM has already given the statement that yes, we are even examining if the Act 2025 of the Immigration and Foreigners Act, whether we can also maybe cope in some kind of provision over there to implement it, maybe just like ILP type of. But that again, we have already referred this details of the provisions in the latest Act 2025 Foreigners and Immigration Act passed by the Parliament to be again looked into by the Advocate General and their team of legal experts. Well, in fact, as of now, I don't say that it is out of control, but it's happening everywhere where the misunderstanding takes place. But again, let me tell you one thing. Right from that time when we constituted this regional committee in both sides of the states, we could see a lot of improvement has happened. And in Maikuli, I think we have seen it that the residents of Assam, they did not allow erection of electric pole in that area, but ultimately we have instructed our GC to have a meeting with his counterpart, and even not only that, we went ahead by having a peace committee of those villages, and now everything is resolved, and even the erection of the electric pole is allowed by Assam. Yes, that SIR is again, it is the subject of election commission. The moment we receive the notification, we have to implement it, and I think that is a welcoming step. Why not? Election in Karuil's Autonomous Council. Hopefully, very soon you will know that once the government takes a decision, once the cabinet takes a decision, so you will be.
Sir, is there any plan to postpone the election?
No, the question of postponement doesn't arise.
So one last question.
Because see why? Let me tell you one thing, that the term of the Garo Hills Autonomous Council is ended on the 18th of April. So well before that, election process has to be completed.
So one last question. What is the latest? You can tell us about the Rajabala. What is the latest?
Rajavala's situation.
The
Right
situation.
now, the situation is calm, is peaceful, and we also instructed the DC to have a peace committee over there. And right now, nothing happened, and I could see that the situation is totally now normal.
How many total arrests made so far?
More than six%. So let us see, let the law take its own. It is ongoing process. You know well that any illegal immigrant coming to India from different parts of our country, so the act is there, the law is there, the enforcers are there, so we take action accordingly as per the provision of the law. So that's what we are doing even till today.
So you will be strengthening the VDP. Will you be harming the?
Yeah, this because if you talk about the illegal immigration, this is the national subject. In fact, it's not the state subject. But let me tell you one thing: as far as this situation that we have in Bangladesh, now we have decided from the state government that we will also reactivate the function of the VDP in all the international border as well as the interstate border.
Will you be giving them arms?
Not necessarily arms, but we will do further training. We will have some kind of training, and then we will see also what are the basic requirements needed to be done. So that we are in the process of completing this whole issue. Then we will give some more, as I said to you, some more, some more training to the VDPs so that they can also handle this issue.
Sir, how safe our borders are right now?
No, right now we are safe. I'm not saying that we are not safe. We are safe because see, jointly, be it from the BSF side, be it from the police, state police side, we are fully alerted, and we have already directed even the district administration of all the districts in the state that they should be always alert whenever information is informed. Then action is taken.